Alright, y'all, so I got a wig from Shein. Right, Shein got wigs. So, no lie, they actually have wigs from some legit wig companies, like Unice Hair is another one. I can't think of the name of the store, but they actually have like wigs from like brands that we know. This was sent to me by them to try out, and this is they call it a piano wig. So I'm gonna put the links to this wig in the description box. So basically this wig already came pre-colored. It's blonde highlights all throughout it and 1B. So usually if I had something like this, I would dye the 1B a little lighter so it doesn't look so stark. But we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see how it looks. So this is a closure wig. This is like it looks like a regular like 4x5 closure. The knots is not bleached is another thing that is, which I would have loved for them to be bleached, and I'm not bleaching them because I just don't feel like it. I'm gonna put some makeup on the part, but the knots do not come bleached. But this wig is under $100. It may be like $80. It's something really cheap, but it feels really good. It has nice thickness to it, and you can see. And yeah, so I'm gonna put it on and see what it looks like. So I'm going to like put this wig on. I'm gonna like glue it on, but not glue it on. I know that ain't just make sense what I said, but we about to look different. I'm looking like a grandma right here with my gray hair. So we're gonna put this on. So the lace is HD lace. So the lace is really good on this. It's HD lace. Like I said, this is a glueless wig. But what I like to do is kind of like prep my wigs for the week. So I'll put like a little bit of lace gel just right on the front, just to kind of lay the lace. So then when I put it back on throughout the week, all I gotta do is kind of dab it with a little bit of water and it goes on. And this right here, I'm using Bold Hold Liquid Gold. It's like a gel. So I'm gonna put that right up on the forehead real quick and just lay that little part down. Like I said, I'm not bleaching the knots because I don't feel like that. I'm gonna just put some makeup on it. So I'm gonna kind of do like a little curtain bang situation, I think. So look, this got some real nice highlights in it. Just like that. I don't know if these go with me, so to say. It's a little bit lighter than what I would like. If I do color like this, I usually do the whole thing this light or like, you know, add some dimension to it, but not like dark like this and then highlight like that. I usually don't do that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna have to put a little bit of style to it so it doesn't look like, I don't know, like weird or whatever. So literally that's all it takes to blow dry his hair, is that little bit right there. So I'm gonna hot comb this hair. I hope it hot combs well. So I'm gonna do like a little slight bangage situation, but not really like bang, but a little bit of layer in the front, because I'm gonna have to do something with this wig for it to look a certain kind of way. That's like the little situation I was trying to do in the front. That make the color look a little better too.